Hello everyone, Happy New Year. In today's video, we are doing a 2025 digital planner walkthrough. I wanted a planner that had everything I needed to be the most productive this year, so I decided to create my own. I also miss doing monthly planning videos. I used to do bullet journal videos, but I no longer bullet journal, but I wanted to find a way to still be creative when planning, but just not in the bullet journal aspect. I am really excited to see how creative I can get with digital planning. If you guys want to try out digital planning as well, I do have my digital planner on sale on my website, so I'll leave a link for that below. So for this planner, I made 15 covers that come in tan, brown, and black. I wanted to make different ones that I could easily change out and go with a different vibe when I wanted to. I have the index page. This is where I have all the sections of the planner. They are all hyperlinked, so it's really easy for me to jump to different sections as needed. First, in the yearly overview section, it's just a calendar that shows the whole year. It's just good to look at the whole year on one page. Also, in the yearly overview pages, there are shortcuts at the top to make it easier to navigate and jump around. In these pages, I just again wanted it to be as easy as possible for me to get from page to page. So I do have those shortcuts there. By clicking the arrow or swiping, I go to the next page, which is the self-assessment page. This is where I can jot down where I am currently in my life. And I have it in different categories. So where am I in my career? Where am I physically? Where am I spiritually? Where am I mentally? At the end of the year, I can look back and see where I am at the end of the year. The overview page is where I can just write down important dates. And that's pretty much it for this page. The next page is a vision board section. So I wanted to have my vision board in my planner. The goals overview page is where I am writing down all my goals in 2025. I have them separated in different areas of my life. I also want to have a 2025 bingo card in my planner. I saw this on Instagram and really wanted to incorporate it into my planner. So as I accomplish the things that I put on the board, I will just shade it in, and hopefully by the end of the year, I have everything all completed. Finances is something that I really wanted to prioritize in 2025, so I went really in depth when it came to the financial section. On the first page, I just have an overview and goals. So I have where I am currently and where I want to be. Then I have the savings tracker. So whatever I am saving for will be located here. And as I'm going, I'll fill in the progress wheel. Then I have a yearly overview of my expenses, savings, and debt. The next page is my debt tracker. I have the debt overview that I will fill out, and that just shows me kind of where I am and where I would like to be by the end of the year. At the bottom, I do have a debt tracker, so I can track each debt individually. This also has a progress wheel that I'll fill in as I go along. The next page is a savings challenge page. It's something that I wanted to add also as an option. I love doing challenges like these, and I can just add the amount based on whatever challenge I am setting for myself. The quarterly pages is basically where I can just jot down what I want to accomplish that quarter and my quarterly goals. Sometimes I do like to look at things in a quarter aspect, so I just wanted to give myself that option to be able to plan that way as well. So that is it for the yearly overview sections. Next is the monthly sections. Each month I have shortcut section where I can go and jump from different pages, so you can see that on the title page of the month. I also have shortcuts on the monthly pages that are different from the yearly overview pages. Those shortcuts at the top are just goals, inspo, habits, finances, reflection. M stands for monthly spreads, W stands for weekly spreads, and S stands for scheduled spreads. And then you also have a little notebook icon at the end, and that just jumps you to the notes section. Underneath those shortcuts, you have the months underneath. That will take me to my current section, but in a different month. All right, so we have the goals section, which is basically where I am writing my monthly intentions, what I'm looking forward to, top priorities, goals, important dates, and projects. On the next page, it's a goals page as well, but it just helps me further plan out my goals more in depth. So I have where I can write the goal, what is motivating me to accomplish this goal, and then my action steps to accomplish it. On the next page, we have the inspo board. This is a page where I just want to put different inspirations that I might have that month. The habit tracker page is basically where I'm going to be tracking all of my daily habits and shading those in as I complete them. The sections underneath the habit tracker is just for me to brainstorm different aspects of my life to see what habits I want to implement that month. In the monthly finance page, this is where I can go in more detail about my finances for that month. So I have my income, my bills, savings, debt, everyday expenses, and then a summary of the total at the end of the month. Next, I have the monthly calendar section. Each day is hyperlinked, so I can easily jump to that day. And on the sides, the weeks are also hyperlinked, so I can jump to that week. I also have a notes section and an affirmation section as well. On the weekly spreads, I can plan out my week, and I have a priority section and a notes section. If I click on the day in the weekly spreads, it's also hyperlinked, so it'll take me to that day where I can plan out in more detail. On the daily spreads, you do have a priority section, a to-do section, water intake and mood tracker, and a notes section. If I click S in the shortcuts, it will take me to the scheduled section. That way I can schedule out my week on one page. Sometimes I do like to do that just to get an overview of how my week is going to go on one page. Having the days together really helps. At the end of each month, I wanted to do a reflection page. I can access it through the shortcuts easily. So this is where I can reflect on my month, look at my highlights, my challenges, what I'm grateful for, my goals check-in, what I want more of, what I want less of. And then I also have where I can do a self-assessment section and rate different aspects of my life for that month. And then you have a little note section here as well. The last pages in each month also include a note section, which I can access in my shortcuts. And so I just have a lined page and then a grid page. So anything I need to write down, there'll be space there for that. I also wanted to create some digital stickers to go with the planner. So I just created some basic daily planning stickers. All of the stickers come in 4 different colors, so it's the same colors as the covers. It's the tan, brown, gray, and black. I have labels, icons, flags, month stickers, frames, post-its, shape tabs, washi tape, and arrows. I can upload them individually, or I can copy and paste them out of the sticker book. I just wanted to create some basic stickers that I could always use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am super excited for the upcoming planning videos, and I look forward to a productive year. Again, if you guys would like to purchase the planner, it is available on my site, and I'll have a link in my description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.